obliges a state to either surrender a suspect to a requesting jurisdiction or to prosecute the individual under its own legal system. Number 5, in this case, Finland have exercised its jurisdiction and prosecuted Mazi Samunekpa domestically under the Finnish criminal law, resulting in a lawful conviction, which his local lawyers have appealed. Our role is to remain vigilant against any unlawful or irregular action akin to those previously demonstrated in Nigeria. Number 6, accordingly, Finland has fully discharged its obligation under this principle, and any request for extradition to a foreign jurisdiction is effectively precluded, given that Mr. Esper is already a subject to judicial accountability within Finland. Akwamaka ndena art